Hi, everyone. Today we're going to be working on distinguishing sounds. This is going to be our first ELA lesson, and ELA stands for English Language Arts. So this is where we're going to learn how to read, how to write, and all that really fun stuff. And in order to learn how to write and in order to learn how to read, you have to be able to hear little sounds that are in words. And we're going to start practicing by listening to sounds in our environment. So what's all around us. Now, you might be thinking, okay, I get it. We have to learn how to do this in order to learn how to read and write. But why would I, a little 5 or 6-year-old, oh no, I'm sorry, a big 5 and 6-year-old want to learn how to read and write? Well, let me tell you a little secret. So, when you learn how to read, you can pick up any book and learn anything you want. You can read books about your favorite Avengers. You can read books about your favorite superheroes. You can read books about your favorite animals. You can read books about anything. Your favorite princesses, about how to be a farmer, about how to be an astronaut, anything you can think of. You can read a book about it and learn about it. And it doesn't even have to be a book. You'd be able to read websites too. Isn't that super cool? And you're like, okay. So I really want to learn how to read so I can read everything and know everything. But why would I want to know how to write? Well, once you learn those things, you're going to want to share your ideas. Maybe you have a really cool story in your head you want to share with everyone and write it down so people from years and years and years from now still be able to read your story because you wrote it down. Or maybe you have a poem, or maybe you know a lot about something, so you want to write all about what you know. You'll be able to do that when you know how to write. And guess what? I'm going to teach you how to read and how to write this year. By the time you leave kindergarten, you're going to be doing both. Isn't that exciting? Oh, I'm so excited for you. So let's get started with distinguishing sounds in our environment, the area around us. The first game we're going to play in order to learn how to hear and distinguish sounds in our environment is called Knock and Count. So I'm going to knock on the table and you're going to count how many times you hear me knock. I'll use my fingers to help you. Ready? So I'm going to knock and put up a finger for every time I knock. How many times did I knock? I knocked 3 times. Very good. All right, let's shake it out. Let's try it again. Here we go. How many times did I knock that time? Yeah, 2 times. Let's do it together one more time. How many times did I knock? 3. You're so good at this game. Now I'm going to knock, but I'm not going to show you my fingers. It's a challenge. Let's see if you can count without me helping you. Here we go. How many times did I knock? If you said 2, you're correct. Let's do it one more time. Yes, how many times did I knock? 3 times. I bet your rock stars over there hearing those knocks and counting them. Now I have another challenge for you. Are you ready? Ooh, I bet you are. All right, now I'm in this little box. Oh my goodness. So when you click the green add response button this time, you're going to get a page that looks like mine. So you have a camera here to take pictures, a pencil here to do a drawing, a video here to take videos. Here's where you can upload documents. Here's where you can write notes, and here's where you can post links. We're probably not going to use the bottom 3 very much. We're going to focus on the top 3. And today in particular, we're going to focus on this video right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to click that video button, make sure you're recording, and go outside. And I want you to tell me 3 sounds you hear when you're out there. Maybe you hear someone cutting your grass. Maybe you hear a woodpecker. Maybe you hear some dogs barking. I want you to tell me all the sounds you hear in your environment. the area around you in which you live. I can't wait to hear all about it, boys and girls. Your videos are going to be so fun.